Alright, so today we're going to do a cold start video on this. This is a Challenger MT535B. It's an 05. It's got about 5,700 hours on it. It's been a really good tractor, very reliable. You can see right there where the mechanical pump focus cone. The mechanical pump used to be. Now we'll take the block temperature. Now you can see. Now let's round it, to be fair, call it 25 degrees. So we'll go in here. I'm not even going to use preheat. This is the FASS Titanium Series. This tractor is equipped with a Bosch VP30 pump, and it does have the same features as Cummins. Excuse me, I got a nasty cough from my allergies. Has the same features, and it will high idle automatically. This does have preheat, but today, even with the temperature, I'm going to show you how well it will start just because I put this pump on. Alright. Show you the hand throws all the way back. And then we'll turn the key on. What this is going to do is let the pump run a little bit, get the the diesel fuel flowing. I can hear it draining back in the pump, so I'll go ahead and start it. See? Automatically went to a high idle by itself, and once it's warm, it'll come back down. So, you all saw how well having a good fuel pump will help your machinery start in the wintertime. I do want to give a shout out to Josh at FASS for helping me figure out which pump kit I needed for this particular tractor. I used a Duramax kit on this one because the max pressure is right at about 12 psi. That's what this pump calls for, and it runs at a constant 12 psi. And yeah, you can see the smoke coming out. She's pretty cold. Anyway, folks, I just want to share my experience with FASS pumps. I believe in them. Almost every Dodge Ram pickup equipped with a Cummins diesel, I've used a FASS pump, except for my last one. And once my new Ford Super Duty runs out of warranty, it's going to get a FASS pump too. So check them out. They work really great on your equipment. Don't be scared to put it in. It's super easy. This is a CAT engine in here. I was able to remove all the fuel stuff off the CAT engine and put the FASS system on. And today, at 20 degrees outside, it's 24 and a half, like my engine block call 25. And that's what happens. When someone brings a good product to the market, this is the result. So, was it worth the money? Yeah, absolutely. I don't have a battery tender over here on this machine. A lot of times when you're cranking these big tractors, granted this one's only 133 horsepower, but it's still big for me. You know, I don't have to plug my battery charger in to give me a start boost. The pump did it all. Alright, that's the end of this video. Appreciate y'all watching. If you like it, hit that subscribe button. I'm going to start just videoing some repairs and tips and tricks and stuff that I do out here on our